if you want to develop the water services in your home, if you want to create the pipeline through water tank to your kitchen, in all your area where you need water, you want any plumbing service, or you want to repair any pipeline in your home, or you want any service, plumbing related service, you can easily get with our help. Now what you have to do is, you have to go in the comment box of the video. First you should write your name, then you should write your address, then you should write your mobile number, then you should write your email ID, and after that you should write what service you want. If you want to do the water services in your home, from water tank to your all kitchen, home, at everywhere, you should write there, or any repairing service you should write there. Now, and you should post in the comment box of the video. We will share your comment with all our registered plumbers, plumbing services in your city. They will call you, they will come to you, they will give you their quotation, and you can choose the best and affordable service, and you can be tension free for any plumbing service. Now I request all the plumbing services in the city, you should go in the comment box of the video. First you should write your name, then your agency name, then you should write your mobile number, email ID, address, and after that you should write what services you provide, and you should post in the comment box of the video. We will continuously send you plumbing service needy customers via SMS and emails, and you can get new customers every day, and you can be tension free for doing your business.